So we briefly know what robots are all about, the basics of them, and now we talk about various other aspects. First of all, mobile robots. Mobile robots can move, of course, meaning straight and simple, move from one location to the other using locomotion or motion itself. So it is an automatic machine that can navigate any uncontrolled environment without any requirement of physical and electromechanical guidance devices. Electromechanical machines, they combine like motors or other devices. So they don't need a particular guidance to actually move through uncontrolled or uncertain environments. Mobile robots are of two types, rolling types and the walking type. Okay, the rolling types require wheels to move around. They can easily and quickly search, move around, go one place to the other, but they're handicapped, that they're only useful in flat areas, the rolling ones. Okay, walking robots, like we human beings, they walk around. So robots with legs are usually used for these conditions where the terrain is rocky. Most walking robots have at least 4 legs. So rocky or uneven situation, yes, you can have rolling as well, but walking probably will be a good option. Okay, moving on. The next topic of part that I want to discuss are industrial robots. Okay, industrial robots perform same tasks repeatedly without ever moving away. So they keep on doing the same thing, but much better than human beings. So industrial robots are working in industry in which there is a requirement of performing kind of dull, precise, but repeated tasks over and over again, suitable for robots. Typical ones are in the automobile industry, okay, and other manufacturing industry where you have robots that are welding things together. Okay, it happens every day, very precise, instead of humans trying to do that. Very, very good for that. Autonomous robots. Autonomous robots are self-supported. They can be on their own. They use a program that provides them the opportunity to decide the action to perform depending on their surroundings. So it's like decision making. Industrial robots in general are not very intelligent from that perspective. By intelligent, I mean to be able to take different decisions on their own. Okay. Autonomous robots, on the other hand, they do have this ability to actually perform various actions depending upon the inputs that they are getting. Using AI, these robots often learn new behavior, improve on their behaviors, autonomous ones. And that's the interesting part. They start with a short routine and adapts this routine to be more successful in a task they perform over a period of time. And therefore, the most successful routines will be repeated over and over again. Remote control robots. Remote control robots are used for performing complicated and undetermined tasks that autonomous robots cannot perform due to uncertainty of operation. Okay, there you need to have a control as well in situations which are unpredictable, like changes in the environment, moving from one surface to the other, say from water to the ground, or overcoming a number of obstacles or hurdles. Okay, that's where you need a remote control. Going through volcanoes, for instance, or performing or evaluating what's happening when the volcano erupts, you probably need to have a remote control robot as opposed to an autonomous one. Complicated tasks are best performed by human beings in general with real brain power. Okay, so you need to keep that in mind. So far, machines haven't reached the level of the brain power of the human beings, only in certain games. So a person, therefore a human, can guide a robot by using a remote control because, of course, they are much more intelligent. As I said, by using remote control, humans can perform dangerous tasks without being on the spot, like as I said, volcano eruption, chemical compound, chemical, let's say, disasters. Okay, having said that, let's just look at, before we close up, a NASA robot designed to explore volcanoes via remote control. And here it is. So this is just about where I want to close up this video. I hope this is interesting and will actually excite your interest in pursuing robotics as well. Very, very interesting. Thank you very much.